Starting in 2021, NAVIEN's newly introduced water heaters and boilers now come standard with a pre-installed Vent Installation Detector (VID) to support proper vent pipe installation into the vent collar. What does VID do? Connected to the vent collar, the VID detects whether the vent pipe has been inserted into the collar at a sufficient depth and signals improper installation at the time of setup. Insert pipe at least 3 inches or 76 millimeters into the collar. The detector is located inside the vent collar to check for proper pipe insertion. Always properly cut the pipe at a 90-degree angle and deburr the vent pipe before installing so the pipe is fully connected to the exhaust gas vent fitting. Always use a length of straight pipe when starting the vent run. Never start the vent run with a street elbow or angled fittings. As guidance, measure 3 inches from the end of the vent pipe and draw a mark at that distance. Insert the pipe into the vent collar to start the vent run. Make sure to completely slide the vent into the collar until the end makes contact with the bottom of the socket. If the pipe is not inserted at a sufficient depth, an error code will flash on the control panel. Verify that 3 inches of the pipe has been completely inserted into the collar and that the mark is no longer visible. Finally, tighten the clamp with an 8mm socket wrench to properly seal the joint.